Ladies and gentlemen, 1 2 1 2. This is still so new to me. I think let's just go. Let's go. If I can get this to work, it is. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the weekly close, the one and only podcast or live stream on YouTube that really focuses on what is happening in the scene of Cronos, the Crow fam, and crypto.com. So welcome, I'm your host as usual, the one and only Coin Baron. So today let's take a look at some major key lines, for example, the 50-week moving average for the Crow price, and what Bitcoin is doing today, because I think the markets are moving quite negatively, really into a bearish direction. So guys, welcome. If you're in the chat, let me know how you're doing today, where you're tuning in from, and if you're watching on YouTube, please guys also comment over there. One quick thing, guys, this will not be an hour live stream. I just returned from a little trip with the boys, so I'm really tired, so we'll do like a 50 or 30 minute stream. Also, if you don't know me, you can also follow along on our Twitter page, over here. Let me go there. And there you can see I was touching some lovely grass over here with the boys, can of Coke here. But of course, the main thing is, guys, you have to enjoy. And just take a look at the charts when you're not busy doing anything else. Just playing some ball games over here. But when I was done playing some ball games, I actually bought some Cronos. I was looking at the charts, so I thought, out, okay, we can actually make a buy order right now. The good thing is, and I don't normally really buy much on the app. Because there are just ridiculous spreads or fees. I think spreads are basically hidden fees, but well, sue me, crypto.com. But overall, I think the main important thing is that sometimes you have to take a look at certain rewards. For example, right now, if you buy Crow, I think for the last 7 hours, you will also get a little bit of ZK airdrop. So be quick, and you actually can get some ZK airdrop when you buy Cronos. At least I think it's a bit of a buy competition. The ones with the most net Crow buys will get more Cronos. So that's not too bad, honestly. Not too bad. Therefore, I think it's okay. Also, unfortunately, to get the reward plus benefits, you have to purchase things within the app. So every month, I buy a little bit in the app, and I buy a bit more, of course, in the actual exchange. I love the exchange. So I want to take a look right now, guys, at the charts, because I think I opened them already. No. Did I open them? I think I got one over here. I got one over here, and I got one over here as well. There we go. Guys, really scuffed stream today. Like I mentioned, just got back. I actually got back an hour ago. So Bitcoin right now, guys, is trading at 64k. Had quite a nice bounce because it dropped below 63 or 64. It touched 63. So let's go to the daily right now, and then we'll take a look at what kind of day we have. Because again, I didn't really see much. I wasn't really tuned in today. I was playing some other games today. But as you see, it's really going down. It is really going down. And that's not only today. It's been for the last few days like this. After touching 72k for like the third time, you can see we had a lot of touches. We had a lot of touches at 72 or 71. Over here. Little fake out over here. But after that, it's been only down. And I think that's fine. We are still in a market where we are a bit too soon. The market has heated up a bit too much after the ETF craze. So what you will see if you start to zoom out, especially in Bitcoin, it was really quick. I think over here we saw the rise basically to 40k. That we knew, okay, this ETF is probably coming. And now we had this, okay, this ETF is actually a thing. We saw a lot of inflows. So that was kind of interesting to see. A lot of inflows from ETFs. Business buying in. And then, yeah, right now it's only down. And this is so important. This is so important for Cronos, because honestly, if Daddy Bitcoin is going down, if daily Bitcoin is going down, then probably Cronos will follow. The question though is, how low will we go? How low will we go? I'm still thinking this can be we're getting higher lows right now, right? We're getting a lot of higher lows over here. Just take a look. We had this low, but also we had a low over here, a daily close low. So I think this is still, if we're gonna make a bounce from here, guys, that will be a very bullish thing for Cronos. Really. Mr. Vitor, welcome. Congrats on your newest 11k CRO. Thank you. Thank you. Daily, monthly buy. If you guys don't know, by the way, let me switch over to this screen. If you guys don't know, I always make a monthly video, and it doesn't get a lot of views actually, but I think it's an action-packed video where I talk how I am going to dynamically DCA into or out of the market, because I like CRO, but I'm here to make a lot of money this cycle. That means also selling CRO. I mean, you got a diamond hand a bit, but also you got to make the right choices. John, welcome. Welcome. Good to see you, man. Blessings, Coin Baron. Thanks for all the content. Or content? Thank you. Yeah, I smashed the like button. Yes, thank you. If you're tuning in, guys, also don't forget to press the like button, of course. Don't forget to press the like button. Very important for the algorithm. And also, oh, this is the wrong button. Also, a crazy thing, but if you actually like this video, then more non-Cronos people will see this video, and they might actually get in touch with the Cronos ecosystem, crypto.com, and buy some CRO. So literally pumping your own bags by pressing the like button. How about that? Welcome, guys. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Today, Bitcoin, as I mentioned, is going down, but I think this might be a lower low or a higher low, which is a good thing. Again, I showed this also in the video, I think. I still think this is a cup and handle pattern. And I could see it playing out like this a bit. So we have this channel. We have this channel like this over here. Might even be like this over. I think it could even be quite normal to go back to like 60k. And then I need to make it a bit bigger. Let me go to the 2 weekly. And then you start to see really this lovely cup. This lovely cup and a little earpiece over here being the handle. So this is what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at what CRO is doing. Because honestly, CRO is at a crucial time right now. CRO is at a crucial time. Mr. Smith Joy Design going in from North Carolina. Welcome, man. Watching from the state. Watching from the States. Yeah, man. I see actually a lot of people tuning in from the States. I can see like the statistics from YouTube. Really cool. Peter Jan, welcome as well. Will you also make a new video for making a coin? Yes, I'm actually planning on doing one. I am planning on doing one, but I can already give you a little sneak peek. The big problem is that currently this feature is not working. It's not working. I'm sorry. Not working on the DeFi wallet on Android, so that's kind of bad. But what you can do over here is, I don't want to connect right now, but you can start a new coin. And it's really easy. You gotta put in a name, a ticker. For example, if you have seen the video which I created for the Chub, so you can put in like Chubby Crow, ticker Chub, and make a little description. What's your coin about? Add a little image. I don't know. Maybe a nice thumbnail of me. And then also how much you want to own. This is not the amount of coins available. I think there's a fixed amount. But it's the amount you want to have in your wallet, basically. To maybe do other things within the future. So I hope this might help. Tuning in from Belgium. I will make a dedicated video because this is a new platform and it still is a... Yeah, not many people know about it. But are you planning to make a coin? What kind of coin, Peter Jan? I just came back from Belgium. I went to Dobry, Adventure Park Valley today. Really fun. Had some climbing. Via Ferrata. Okay, I was trying to look over here at the indicators for Cronos Theta. So let's go and add the 50-week moving average. So you have to go to moving average average. Simple. There we go. And you also have to go, guys, if you want to follow along, you have to go to the weekly. You have to go to the weekly. And then you can start to see some lines. What you see over here, top right corner, really small. It shows 9. It shows 9. We want to go to 50. We want to go to 50 because 50 is really significant. 9 weeks is not significant. 50 weeks is almost like a year. So the yearly average, kind of. Really important. Looking forward to it. Good man. You hope as well. Welcome. Welcome, man. So today, I think is going to be very important because we're going to have a weekly close. Name of this podcast, guys. Keep that in mind. Keep that in mind. So over here, the weekly close, in my opinion, has to be above this blue line. If we don't close above this blue line, I'm becoming really bearish. And I think, guys, of course, this week is about to close. I think for many people in the States, it's still a few hours. But most statistics will, or most charts will take a look at GMT, so the British time, really. And over here, I think it's like, yeah, it's 4 more hours or 5 more hours until the close. And as you see, we are so close. We are so close. We are so close to it. I will quickly go to Bitcoin, BTC. And I think I can show you. I showed also this chart over here on YouTube. But see, again, 50-week moving average. How many support touches? How many support We even started the big rally over here in 2020 with a little touch over here. Little touch at the 50 weeks moving average. Over here, support. 50-week moving average. Really, really significant. So, again, back to Cronos. Back to Cronos. This is new, by the way. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but on crypto.com, they decided to collaborate with TradingView. Beautiful, because they add a different data set with their actual prices, trading prices. So really useful, I would say. But what I like to see today, we made another bounce. We made another bounce over here at the 50-week moving average. Because not only I am willing to really guard this line, I think for many people in the market, this is just really important. They see this as really strong support. So if you see, guys, it's going to dip down below, like this, a little small wick. This is the biggest discount you can get today, because I think we'll get a big bounce after this. Joined a bit late. Did I miss anything? Not really, not really. Welcome, my man. Just make sure you guys strap in. Gonna be a short stream, so in here for like 50 more minutes. If you have any questions about the current state of the markets, about maybe I push the fun, about some memes, let me know. Really cool to see you, Varys. Big Z. I like to see all the comments. I get a smile when I see those. Really fun. Also, maybe a quick announcement. Do you guys know Mr. Crypto? Oh, no, wrong. Let me quickly go to the screen over. If you guys don't know Mr. Crypto West is a YouTuber, also a bit active on Twitter. He is new to the Crow fam, but really trying to improve. You know, make it a nice place for everyone really to enjoy. But he really sees the potential of Cronos. So he talked to me and he said like, hey, do you want to co-host a little space? So what we're gonna do is, this is an experiment a little bit. But we're gonna co-host a weekly live stream, or not live stream, co-host a little X space on Thursday, and I think it's like 4 p.m. my time. So like 5 hours before this time currently. So if you want to join in, feel free. I think it will be more like an open discussion table. So you can also just put up your 2 cents. I will make a tweet about it. Okay, I still need to add some new features because I'm getting some great questions right now. Let me go to the screen, and while we're doing that, let me read through the question over here. Because what Mr. Vitor is asking, Baron, in your view, would it be possible for a miracle to occur on CRO and drive the price of 4 cents before we go up to the bull run? 4 cents. Are you looking for great discounts? Are you looking for great discounts, Vitor? What do you guys think? Can I make like a poll? Can I make like a poll? I don't know. I don't know. I don't think I can make like a poll. I can make a poll. Okay, let me ask the question to the audience over here, because do you guys think will CRO go back to 4 cents? Question mark. Start poll. I hope this works, guys. I'm new to YouTube streaming, so let me know in the poll. Will CRO go back to 4 cents? I will not actually give an answer because I want to see your answer. So be quick. Be quick about it. In the meanwhile, we'll go back to a question over here from the stream. Mr. Smith-Joy Design, what's your thoughts on these VVS meme coins being pumped out on the Cronos chain? Good question. I don't know. I'm personally not really much dabbling with the meme coins. Let me go to the deck screener quickly, because what I like is that they give some kind of fun to the chain, of course. But I don't see them as a really legit investing opportunity. I think it's, I don't know. It's fun. It's the casino. And that's also what it's supposed to be. That's what it also is on Solana. Overall, this is a bit controversial. I think overall it's a good thing that Crypto.com is even touching the Cronos chain. So I think it's driven by... what is it? Where are they? Loaf, the Moon, Dip, Crop. I know it's not the best. It's not the best. It's not community driven, honestly. But it's something. And it's a reason for people on the Crypto.com app to actually go look into Cronos chain. Where is this dip coming from? I can't find Crop on Ethereum. It's a reason for people to tip their toes into Cronos. Controversial. People also say it sucks liquidity. Possible, but I think, guys, you can't really blame Crop or Loaf or Moon for sucking in liquidity. The market for memes was already dying, so too bad. The momentum was just gone. That's my personal feeling. I hope that helps, Midjoy. I hope it helps. What do you own? Do you own Karl? Do you own Mary? I own some Push. I can be open about that. I owned a lot of Mary. I had an airdrop, but I sold. Sorry. I do have some Mary NFTs. Kaka! Oh man, I saw like a billboard on New York, on the New York things. The stock exchange. No, the big advertisement buildings. Really cool. When Moon. I think soon. Silvero? Do I pronounce it correctly? Like I mentioned, guys, let me go back to the charts. I think this will hold today. I'm positive this will hold today. To me, this is holding. It's really painful because I haven't seen a weekly close this low. I haven't seen a weekly close this low. But if it's going to hold today, guys, this is going to be very bullish. This is positive momentum, basically on the yearly scale. And I think right now, we are maybe where we should be at. This was too high. We were too early. So when Moon? The serious answer to the question when Moon is probably like April 2025. Hope it helps, Severo. You should be able to make a poll. Yes, I think I did, Yop. I think people are saying 82% for no. 82% does not believe that CRO will go back to 4 cents. There it is, Vido. There it is. But also, guys, if it's always when people think it's not going to happen, it will always happen. So Murphy's Law, who knows? Who knows? Thanks, guys, for being here today. Really cool. Really cool. Good questions. Keep them coming. It will be, though, a 25x to $1. Oh, I think we're going to hold here. That's my honest answer, Vito. I made a buy. I'm buying a lot. So there you have it. Really cool questions, guys. Mr. De Silva, welcome. Hope not. We'll be happy to see it floating around 45 or 55 cents. I actually would agree with that. I would like to actually hold on to a higher target. Why? Well, mainly because if we're here, guys, for a very long time, we're slowly going to fade away in the crypto top 50 market cap. And I still think we'll always go back to $1. That's guaranteed. The question, though, is how much higher can we go? That's, for me, the big question. And I think if we are going to hover around like 55 cents or 45 or 40, above 20 at least, that makes, I think, the chances higher for CRO to go like to crazy targets. I see Crypto Kip talking about like 5 euros or $5. Phew. That's high. That is really high, but possible. The higher or average will become during this bear cycle, I think the better it will be. Cheers, mate. Ooh, what do we have? What do we have? Okay, I see an answer for the 4 cents by Various. I don't see it ever going back to 4 cents. Ever? Nah, I don't think so either. I think this was the prime opportunity, guys. I don't think this will go back. This was a chance. This was bear cycle, and now we will have a little bit of a postponed bull cycle. And that's fine. Yeah, I agree, Spinjoy. It brings more attention to Cronos. I think you're still talking about the. Are we talking about 45 cents? No, about the memes. It's a question, man. Not everyone likes memes, so it's fine. Better than nothing, I would say. Yes, some coins pump hard, Peter says. You can buy them and you don't. Hard to speak, guys. I had a rough day. I had a rough day today. But touched some grass, which is nice. So Peter Jan says, yes, some coins pump hard. You can buy them and you can sell them. Ah, okay. You're talking about rug pools. Okay, I had a really hard time reading the question. My mistake, man. Sometimes, guys, you buy into a coin that you think like, okay, funny, looks cool, but it's a total scam, and that's really shitty. And the good thing is on this platform, I'm not going to shill the platform really much. I do like this. I do like this over here. Oh shit. Wrong press. I do like this meme. You guys seen this meme on the interwebs? Haktua. Really funny. I don't know. Gives a little smile on my face over here. But this platform is good for that. It's a bit more secure. While we're streaming, guys, the price is pumping. So you guys are doing something great. Really nice. So Vito says, I think meme coins doesn't help the CRO ecosystem at all. Even I would love the platform, would never think of using Cronos DeFi, unfortunately. Why not use DeFi? Because of meme coins? There are so many other use cases. For example, decentralized lending. But yeah, okay, I get your point though. I get your point. Currently, the majority of use cases are meme coin trading. I would like to see more games, and I will make a video about a game I'm playing. It's called Chivas. You guys watching football? UEFA? Euro 2024? Yeah, you might like a bit of football. A football game on the CRO chain. And honestly, I see gaming as a prime use case for DeFi. But that's my personal opinion. Cheers, Severo. Cheers. Okay, guys, I don't think anyone thinks CRO is going back to 4 cents. So I hope you got your answer. For Cronos to evolve, we need good dApps. Teach retailers how to use apps or DeFi. Yeah. When the good games come, and I talked a bit about this in the previous stream, but games like Mavia, Heroes... Guys, check out Heroes of Mavia on the App Store. It's a fun Web3 game. And that's exactly how we're gonna slowly transition from centralized gaming or centralized stores to a bit more decentralized environments, which is good. But you also need to make sure you teach the people how. Because it's not easy. UX is hard. UX is hard. Sufjan, welcome, man. 10 billion CRO is locked up. Is it 10 billion already? Cronos POS chain? Let me go. Let me check that out. Is there already 10 billion locked? That's crazy, man. That's crazy. I think I saw actually a tweet by anyone. I think it was Pumper. So, guys, just looking at like the first, what is it? Like 5 validators over here. Almost a billion CRO locked. Almost another billion CRO locked. Not a billion here. Another bit. This is 4.5 billion CRO. Maybe 4. 4 billion CRO here. Another one over here. Okay, I think that can be like 10 billion CRO stake, guys. Visa cards, DeFi wallet. Can be a lot of different ways to stake your CRO. Really cool. And honestly, you have to be careful. You have to be careful because... Take a look at the charts again, guys. This pump to $1. This pump to $1. How long did it take? This was 8 weeks. You had to unstake here. You had to unstake over here at like 20 cents to be able to sell at $1. And not many people did that. So what I did, really fun. I gifted my father for Father's Day. I gifted him 1,000 CRO. I said to him, okay, now it might be $100 in a year, potentially 1,000. So make sure you cash it out on time, book a lovely holiday or something cool for yourself. So I hope he's not going to stake it this time around. I made that mistake the last Father's Day back over here. I said, just stake it. Great APY, like 8%. Okay, guys. Okay, I have a girlfriend waiting for me. I haven't seen her in like 5 days. So let's go. I see so many good questions. Martino, 2 million CRO. Jerry's got. If you guys want to stake, I would say go to Icy or Icy, Finland. Crow's Nest is good. But Jerry's pool, Jerry is the biggest validator, community validator, I would say. And I think his fees are quite nice. Just your friendly neighborhood Jerry. Good to see you, Martino. Goed om wat Nederlanders te zien hier. Dutch guys. Okay, let's go to some quick questions over here. I see so many good things popping up. Let's go. The silver one. Did you acquire the 1 million CRO you said you was going to get? I did. If you go check out my videos, guys, the video is literally called 1 million. I bought 1 million CRO. You can see the transaction over there. It was on the exchange. That was done, unfortunately, a lot too high. A lot too high. So I keep acquiring more to get my average down. I bought at 11 cents 80. It's relatively okay. So to make sure, guys, I also had the same situation. I bought Ethereum last cycle again. I got back in at $400. That's a good buy, right? But just after I bought at $400, it went all the way back, I think, to 300. A 33% drop, and that's really painful. That's really painful. But still, guys, after 400, it went back to 5,000. So you have to zoom out and sometimes agree that you can't get all the perfect bottom timing. So just make sure it's if you buy now, if you bought at, even if you bought at 17 cents, relatively cheap still. Of course, you can buy more CRO now, so make sure you make use of these opportunities. We are in the green band. We are in the green band. Anyone with 1 million sits in the top 1,000 holders, I believe. Is that actually the case, the silver? Is that on the ETH chain or? Oof. If so, I would be lovely if I would be one of the 1 million holders. That would be quite an achievement if we get a serious real-world partnership or bank merge. I think actually 1 million CROs is guaranteed to make you a millionaire. I will make a video about that, but guaranteed to make you a millionaire. The question though, is it going to be a millionaire, multi-millionaire, trillionaire? Next Jeff Bezos? I don't know. I would love that. I don't use Cronos DeFi, Vida says over here, because there are infinitely better and more engaged options. You got ETH, you got Binance Chain, AVAX, TON. And what makes them better? Is it the content on the chain? Is it the chain? Is it the community? That's why I think Cronos should make a reputable dApp like Lido, Pandal. Actually, there are already quite decent alternatives for Lido. For example, we do have Lido, not Lido, so Lido, guys, is for liquid staking protocols. We got Vino Finance. It's exactly the same as Lido, but of course made by Cronos Labs. So pretty cool. So the Silver mentions, for Cronos to truly evolve, we need merchants accepting CRO's payment. Oh, that would be lovely. Not having to convert your CRO to euros or dollars with your card. The good thing is though, guys, Crypto.com is one of the golden partners, I believe, of Visa. They are talking a lot. They are thinking about, okay, can we actually do more USDC payments instead of actual US dollar from a bank? So they're working together. I don't know if we're gonna get actual CRO payments. Might be a dream, but who knows? Who knows? Oh, John, you bought 11k CRO? My man. Groetjes Rotterdam. Oh, I might see you in the harbor, Martino. The Dutch harbor, guys, is one of the greatest in Europe, even of the world. It's really a really good one. Greets from Belgium. VDG, welcome, man. Good to see you. I just had the most beautiful Belgium beers. And a beautiful climb this weekend as well in Belgium. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of Dutch guys, a lot of Belgium guys, all the love guys over here. Thank you so much. I do need to head down. My girlfriend hasn't seen me. Weekend with the boys. I don't know what the Vino. I will make a video about it, Mr. Vitor. It's a really good one though. Okay, Mr. L as well, just tuning in. So many good questions, guys. One final take. I have to go back to the chart right now because what we need to do, and I need you guys to make sure it is going to hold as well. We are today at a pivotal time for Cronos. Will we stay at this level and make a bounce at the 50-week moving average? This needs to be rock solid support, guys. So make sure you press the like button and subscribe as well over here to make sure you pump your own backs as well, because this will 100% make sure we also get pushed on the YouTube algorithm. So pump those bags, push the like button. And that's it. If you have any questions also, guys, make sure you put a comment. Ask me on X, ask me over here. All fine. I will make sure to answer all the questions as well in the YouTube comments. But that's me. I'm the one and only Coin Baron, and we'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Thank you much. Thank you. Happy wife, happy life. Yes. Thanks, Vitor. Thanks, Martino. Thanks, L. John, welcome. Till the next time.